The ability of police administrators in winning support for departmental programs from people within the department as well as the citizens is called A. Community relation, B. Police leadership, C. Police planning, D. Community policing. Answer B. Police leadership. The extent to which an authority is concentrated or dispersed is called A. Unity of direction, B. Centralization, C. Scalar chain, D. Unity of command. Answer B. Centralization. The principle of organization, suggesting that communication should ordinarily go upward and downward through established channels in the hierarchy, is A. Chain of command, B. Unity of command, C. Span of control, D. Delegation of authority. Answer A. Chain of command. The principle of organization that results from the division of force into separate units to perform individual tasks is called A. Specialization, B. Chain of command, C. Organizational structure, D. All of the above. Answer A. Specialization. The staff specialist or unit in line organization that provides service knowledge is known as A. Line in staff organization, B. Functional organization, C. Line organization, D. Structural organization. Answer B. Functional organization. A type of organizational structure in which quick decisions are made because of direct line authority and discipline is easily administered is called A. Line in staff organization, B. Functional organization, C. Line organization, D. Functional and staff organization. Answer C. Line organization. The placement of subordinates into the position for which their capabilities best fit them is referred to as A. Staffing, B. Organizing, C. Directing, D. Planning. Answer A. Staffing. A theory underlying the system of our criminal law, of which Rafael Garofalo and Enrico Ferri, including Cesare Lombroso, were the great exponents, that crime is considered as essentially a social and natural phenomenon. A. Heuristic or classical theory, B. Positivist or realistic theory, C. Punitive theory, D. Non-punitive theory. Answer B. Positivist or realistic theory. One of the characteristics of criminal law, where penal laws do not have a retroactive effect, except in cases where they favor the accused charged with felony and who are not habitual criminals. A. Retrospective, B. General, C. Territorial, D. All of the foregoing. Answer A. Retrospective. Are those crimes committed against the society which produce direct damage or prejudice common to all its members? A. Private crimes. B. Public crimes. C. Felony. D. Infractions. Answer B. Public crimes.